Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Learn With Me. In this video, we'll explore 100 different bird names in English. Whether you're a bird lover, a nature enthusiast, or just here for a fun learning experience, this video is for you. Stay till the end and see how many bird names you already know. Comment below with your favorite bird. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow bird lovers. Let's dive into the fascinating world of birds. Sparrow, pigeon, crow, dove, robin, blue jay, cardinal, blackbird, starling, magpie, woodpecker, owl, hawk, eagle, falcon, nightingale, kingfisher, wren, jay, warbler, swan, goose, duck, pelican, seagull, heron, flamingo, cormorant, egret, stork, roadrunner, quail, bustard, lark, hornbill, sandgrouse, kestrel, secretary bird, vulture, caracara, macaw, cockatoo, parrot, toucans, lorikeet, lovebird, horned parakeet, cassowary, kookaburra, hoatzin, penguin, albatross, snowy owl, ptarmigan, Arctic tern, auk, puffin, skua, petrel, gannet, kakapo, shoebill, Philippine eagle, Andean condor, kiwi, harpy eagle, bali myna, Spix's macaw, Victoria crowned pigeon, California condor, hummingbird, finch, bunting, canary, oriole, waxwing, tanagers, redstart, swallow, swift, ostrich, emu, rhea, turkey, peafowl, guinea fowl, pheasant, rail, tinamou, lyrebird, cuckoo, myna, raven, drongo, bowerbird, tree creeper, chough, roller, shrike, sunbird,